And it will also match my outfit today. Parang napagamit lang ko. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a monochromatic look using this Colourette velvet tints and color tints. Well, since we're going to do monochromatic look, I will just pick one from all of these three shades that I have, and then we'll use that on our eyes, cheeks, and lips. But before that, just please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Lali Montes. And if you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to click that bell button to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And also, please stay tuned until the end of this video because I have a surprise giveaway for one lucky subscriber. So, let's get ready. So I have three shades. I have one color tint in Lola, and then the other two is Toast and After Party. Let's swatch these three shades first, and then we'll pick one that we will use all over our face. First, let's try Lola. This is color tint, so it's made from nice. So by the way, the velvet tints are they're all day powder mattes, and it says here that they're blendable, pigmented, and multi-use. So you can use this three ways on your eyes, cheeks, and lips. Stays all day while remaining comfy on skin. Okay, next, this is After Party. Parang alam ko na kung ano magagamitin ko. Velvet tint naman is pangit ko mag-swatch. Well, so this is color tint. This is velvet tint. Color tint is kinda watery. And then yung velvet tints naman is medyo creamy. But they're all made from argan oil and beeswax. And then the other one is Toast. This one looks a little deeper in shade. So it's also velvet tint. I also have other color tints, but I don't have it with me right now. So yeah, it's medyo deeper. So I'll probably use the first one, which is Lola. So I like pinky shade. Okay. So we will try Lola. These are the I like then the other two, but if we're going to do monochromatic look, I would prefer Lola, and it will also match my outfit today. So alright, let's try first on our lids. So this is pigmented, so we have to just put on small amount first para to test. Nag-pop na yung color niya. So I only use a small amount. Little goes a long way. So this is something that you can do when you're, especially when you're in a hurry and you need to do a quick makeup. Parang dagdagan natin ng konti. Okay, and then we'll use blending brush to clean the edges. Now let's use it on our cheeks. Uy, parang napadami yung lagay ko. Dapat 1 dab lang. Dapat 1 dab lang, guys, because it's really pigmented. As you can see. Let's adjust and put on powder because it's really pigmented, so very good. Dagdagan natin ng powder to tame the color. Does it look better now? And then, on the last part is on your lips. I have to remove mine. Okay, now let's use it on our lips. Okay, that's it. Only use one product, but then I want to put on mascara. Unfortunately, I've had some technical issues with the last part of this video. So sorry guys, I only noticed while editing and filming again would it make this video authentic. Anyway, this is my final look with the mascara on and I hope you all like it. These are my giveaways. So I'm giving away one BLK lipstick. It's a matte lipstick in the shade Fearless. And I haven't used this, guys, and I haven't even swatched it, so it's really safe. This is how it looks like. And then I also have magnetic eyeliner eyelash suit. It has 3 pairs. It includes also the magnetic eyeliner and the tweezer for you to use when putting on the falsies. So I haven't used this as well, guys, so I want to make sure that we are all safe. And the last one is this Olay Magne Masks Triple Skin Boost. So you can use this before going to sleep, and then you can see the result after waking up in the morning. Hashtag I woke up like this. So I'm giving this away to one lucky subscriber. All you need to do is make sure that you're subscribed on my channel and comment down below what is that makeup product that you can't live without. So once you've done that, you already have a chance to win these exciting prizes, and I will ship it to you free of charge. You also get one more entry if you follow me on Instagram and tag 2 of your friends. So every one tagged friend will get you another entry. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm so excited for this first ever giveaway, and I hope you'll like this video. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.